welcome to Little Learners Education. Today we're going to go step by step through how to create this beautiful snowstorm in a jar with your preschooler or toddler. For the snowstorm in a jar, you will need 1 cup of water, some baby oil, glitter, a teaspoon of white paint, an Alka Seltzer tablet, a picture of a snowman, and a clear jar. So the first thing we're going to do is stick the snowman onto the jar and then pour in the 1 cup of water and then add the 1 teaspoon of white paint into the jar and mix it in. Then add the glitter and then add the baby oil. Keep pouring in the baby oil until you reach near the top of the jar. Then break the Alka Seltzer into 4 pieces. And then place the Alka Seltzer into the jar. And there you have your snowstorm in a jar.
Please like and subscribe down below. And feel free to check out our Facebook and Instagram page. Goodbye from Little Learners Education.